Welcome back, and let's now look at examples of good summaries. And then we'll be looking at the different features of the LinkedIn profile and how to improve it. So let's first talk about the contact details. It sounds obvious, but take a moment to fill out your phone number and address because you want people to contact you. Make sure your business email address is displayed and update your LinkedIn profile URL to remove the default numbers. If you want to add your website address, choose the other option so you can update the text descriptions. You can even include a link to a presentation, for example, a PowerPoint presentation you've previously created. For your current role, maybe highlight two major areas you're responsible for or expertise that you actually possess. If you are, for example, a project manager or a program manager, make it clear that your focus is on delivery. Regarding videos and images, you have the opportunity to add visual media at the end of each section of your profile. If you have video or slide presentations or infographic resumes or infographic stories, they can all be easily added here. So you can see the picture, you can have videos, presentations, links, and photos. If you're nervous about changing your LinkedIn profile because you know that when you change your LinkedIn profile, other people will see that you just made an update, then this tip is great for the people who are nervous about that. So if you're making any changes to your profile while you're looking for a new role, for example, you may not want to broadcast your activities to everyone. Yeah, these are the steps to take when you want to turn off activity broadcasts. So what you do is click on the drop down menu under your name in the top right hand corner, select settings. In the profile section, click on turn off your activity broadcast under the privacy and controls. As you can see there, it says turn off your news mention broadcast. Uncheck the box that appears in the pop-up window and click on the save settings. Once you're done, turn this back on, otherwise you'll remain invisible. To make your profile anonymous while checking out other people's LinkedIn, go to choose settings, privacy controls, select what others can see when you view their profile. From there, you have three options. Display your name and headline, display an anonymous profile with such characteristics identified such as industry, title, and totally anonymous. You'll be in a complete private mode. Remember to switch back once you're done. If you want to block connections and group activities from competitors, do the following. Click on the block or report, click save changes, and you're safeguarded. You can make sure that your name comes top under the searches by customizing your LinkedIn profile. Log in, then click profile. You can edit your profile in the main navigation bar. On the right, at the bottom of the gray window, this shows your basic information. You'll see it as public profile URL. Click on the edit next to the URL, then state what you would like your address to be. Once you're finished, click set custom URL. If you have a name, you may include a middle name or initial to get a unique URL. If you want to get recommendations, just select profile, edit profile, go to the position with which the recommendation is associated, where it says manage recommendations. Click on that manage recommendations. Select the one you want from the list. Choose what you want to be recommended for and by who. Enter the other information, then click on the save button. So in short, having a powerful LinkedIn profile is going to give you a competitive advantage over other people. This is also going to give your potential employer a good image of you from the word go. Therefore, make sure that you follow all the instructions I've given you. I can guarantee you, you'll never go wrong as far as the LinkedIn is concerned. So there are a few questions here. How important is your LinkedIn profile? Just think about an answer. How important is this system now that you've learned everything you've learned in a video? And if your profile is not 100%, then you need to start taking action on making sure that your profile is 100%. What is the importance of the first impression to the job seeker? Why should I have a complete profile? Think about Google when you do a search. Why is this summary important in a LinkedIn profile? Try to answer these questions by probably stopping the video, going back to the video and just learning so that you get a better understanding. You have a report that you can send the client regarding the LinkedIn profile, but it's important that you understand some of that information as well. So run through the LinkedIn profile checklists, find that in the resource section, and try to make sure that when you're going through this checklist with your client, they have some of this enabled as well. I'll see you in the next video.